we discussed amongst ourselves, and then we came to the conclusion that at least we should write to the railway board. Maybe they may not accept it, or they may come with some other facts which are not conducive to our thinking. But there is no harm in writing a letter. In that letter, we have only highlighted the basic issues of the cadre related to accounts and civil engineering. We have raised the issue that the induction to accounts and civil engineering department is based on the cadre strength of 1647 that we have not denied. We are saying that the cadre strength which has been fixed for group A, that was 1200 something like that, 1200 कुछ थी, उसमें 572 leave reserve posts were added. So that total does not match with 1647. So where the anomaly lies, let the board clarify it. We had been seeking information under RTI, he gave me all the details what he has got from the board also. Then after discussion we had drafted a letter that I have given to Shri P.K. Singh, and very soon it will be on our website also when I go back on Monday. That will be uploaded on the website also. So therein we have asked simply that the cadre of accounts, and though there is variation in other departments also, but that is to the tune of 2 posts to 6 posts. So that doesn't matter if you go for the 25%, that is hardly 1 or 2. So we have not messed up the issue, we have only taken up 2 departments, accounts and civil engineering, and we will have a discussion in the board on this issue. First, we have simply given a plain letter highlighting the deficiencies or the discrepancies which we have noticed. In that, one thing is very funny. In the accounts department, the revenue post in the cadre they are showing 50 and leave reserve 68. This I can't imagine how leave reserve can be more than the revenue post. So this is one thing. Similarly, there were other also issues which we have raised in the letter, but we haven't mentioned it specifically, that we have kept for the discussion. So this was the one information which was messed up in my earlier address that I wanted to inform you. Now, some views were there. See, the functioning of each and every individual is different, and it tallies with his temperament, attitude and behavior. If I am not speaking something over here, or I am not taking loud, I don't have the habit of creating any panic or creating any hype over here that you are going to get this, because once you get it, it is okay. If you are not getting, the issues are there. So it can be the perception that I am not taking up the issue seriously, but that is not the way. When there was a reservation issue, we came to you, we informed all of you, and it has happened. So I take all the things very coolly, calmly, and I never create a panic or a hype that you are going to get it. So this is my way of working. Maybe you may not appreciate it, but it does not mean that I am not serious on the issues. So this one thing I wanted to explain to you. No, just now.
This is your strength, sir.
No, this is my way of working. It may be taken up in any other way also. One thing I would request that before leaving, either today or tomorrow, you please let Mr. Agarwal is available over here. The number of props which you require, that will be dispatched as per discussion with you at your destination, either by courier or whatever way you want it. The number should be specific because you will be charged for that number. So be specific. Even if few props are left, then next time we will get that published lesser number. Earlier we used to get 6,500 prop published. This time I have published only 4,000 props. If there is more need, the publisher is ready to print it within 1 month, whatever required quantity is required, and he will supply us. That is the agreement with the publishers. Now the issues which we have told for the 7th pay commission that are taken up, same pay, same work, equal pay for equal work, that issue we had been deliberating for long. This time also we will take it up. In the 6th pay commission it was also there, and we had pleaded it. So that issue will be taken well care of. One of you had just now said that there should be adequate representation of SC, ST in induction to Group A. See, The number of posts 411. Distribution of post is available on the website if you go through that. The number of SC and STs for each services is mentioned therein. The number is fixed. There is no chances or likelihood of reducing the number of posts reserved for SC, ST. The reservation is as per the existing rules, 15% and 7.5%. The number of posts reserved in each services is mentioned separately on the website. You can go through distribution of 411 posts. This is the caption, and in that you will find out. The lesser